The future of AI holds significant potential and is expected to impact various aspects of our lives. Here are some key points that highlight the potential developments and implications of AI in the future. Advancements in machine learning. Machine learning, a subset of AI, will continue to evolve with more sophisticated algorithms and models. Deep learning techniques, such as neural networks, will enable AI systems to learn and process complex patterns, leading to improved accuracy and performance in tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and data analysis. 2. Enhanced automation and efficiency. AI will increasingly automate tasks across industries, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. From manufacturing and logistics to customer service and healthcare, AI-powered systems can perform repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. 3. Smarter personal assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant will become even more intelligent and integrated into our daily lives. These assistants will understand context better, provide personalized recommendations, and seamlessly interact with various smart devices in our homes, making our lives more convenient and connected. 4. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and autonomous vehicles will become more prevalent. AI technologies, including computer vision, sensor fusion, and decision-making algorithms, will enable vehicles to navigate roads, interpret traffic conditions, and make real-time driving decisions. This could lead to improved road safety, reduced traffic congestion, and increased accessibility for people unable to drive. 5. Healthcare revolution. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, assist in early disease detection, and provide insights for more effective treatments. AI-powered robots and automation can also aid in surgeries and caregiving. 6. Smart cities and infrastructure. AI can optimize urban infrastructure, making cities smarter and more sustainable. Intelligent systems can monitor and manage energy consumption, transportation networks, waste management, and public safety. This can lead to more efficient use of resources, reduced environmental impact, and enhanced quality of life for residents. 7. Ethical and responsible AI. As AI advances, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Developers and policymakers must ensure that AI systems are unbiased, transparent, and aligned with human values. Regulations and frameworks will be developed to address issues like privacy, accountability, and potential job displacement. 8. Collaboration between humans and AI. The future of AI is not about replacing humans but augmenting human capabilities. AI systems will work alongside humans as collaborative partners, leveraging their strengths in processing large volumes of data, extracting insights, and making informed decisions. Human-AI collaboration can drive innovation across industries and solve complex problems more efficiently. It's important to note that while AI presents exciting opportunities, there are also challenges and concerns that need to be addressed, such as data privacy, cybersecurity, and the impact on the job market. Responsible development and deployment of AI technologies will be crucial to harnessing its full potential for the benefit of society.